Hey guys, welcome to my room tour. So I finally moved into a new place in Auckland and this is my new bedroom. It isn't a shared house, so I can't show you guys the whole house, but I can show you my little minimalist bedroom that I share with Michael. So right off the bat we have a window here on the side, and then this is just an overview of the room. It's pretty small, but it's actually a really good size for Michael and I because, to be honest, we don't really hang out in here that much. We just kind of sleep in here and get ready, and yeah. So this is the desk. I work here sometimes, but usually if I'm working I'll be sitting in the living room, but sometimes I use the desk here. I keep my laptop there and I'll sometimes edit videos here, and I like to keep my journals there as well. So that's my bullet journal right here, and then underneath there is just a journal that I keep notes in. I have my lotion, my water bottle, and then my laptop, of course. And then over here I have a laundry dryer hanger thing, and my yoga mat is back there in the corner. So that's the desk, and then here is the bed. Yeah, so let's move over to the shelving unit here. This is just a shelf that they gave us when we moved in. The room is fully furnished. So right here is a little basket of just random stuff that I need to give to the op shop or organize. On the bottom shelf here is Michael's stuff, and then there's a little plant, and then there is some stuff that we use every day. So on the right hand side is my stuff, and this is just a little facial spray I made for myself. It's just water and lavender oil. And then these are Q-tips, obviously. And this is my candle. We have 2 candles in here that are ours, and I just love having candles lit. I think it's so relaxing and cozy and homey. And then we can move into the closet here. So in the closet, we have a good amount of space for 2 people, I think, but we don't really use it all. So this is just an overview of the closet. It just came with these hangers, which are a bit mismatched. I think if it was my home or if I was staying a bit longer, I'd probably get some hangers. This is a laundry basket, and this is a basket of cords. There's some extra clothes, and then we have some laundry detergent right there. Over here we have 2 drawers, so Michael and I each have a drawer for socks and underwear, and then these are my clothes, and I just have my pants folded, and then shirts rolled, and then there's Michael's clothes. Here's my hung clothes, and there's Michael's one little jacket. They gave us some blankets as well, and then here's Michael's backpack. Here is a reusable grocery bag, and that is a container of toilet paper. So that's the entire closet. It's not super organized, but that's the best we can do for now. And let's close that up. So I'll show you guys under the bed. I have some shoes under here because that's just the easiest place to keep them, I've found so far. And then I do have my backpack and some other travel stuff under the bed here. So before we leave, I'll probably do a big decluttering of just getting rid of some clothes and books and old containers that I don't use anymore. But yeah, for now this is what we have, and I have this little window which I always keep open when I'm at home because I love the fresh air. And there's not really much of a view, but we do have a little bit of greenery over there on that side, which is nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my room tour. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!